Hi friends, so today I thought of talking about this hydrocarbon project which the government is trying to undertake in Tamil Nadu's Neduvasal. So what is this hydrocarbon actually? So in India we are extracting electricity from oil and coal. 46% is from oil and coal only. So we keep extracting energy from oil and coal. When we keep extracting, it will get over someday, right? So extraction of hydrocarbon is very important. We have to extract hydrocarbon. So what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon is nothing but methane. Only in the name of, instead of saying it as methane, they are saying it as hydrocarbon. Everything is the same. So what is methane? Methane is nothing but one carbon and four hydrogen together is called as methane. So what do they do? What can this methane do? What is the use of extracting methane from earth? So what methane does is when you are extracting methane, so the methane will react with oxygen in the air and then it gives out carbon dioxide and water. So what happens is when this process happens, lot of heat energy gets dissipated, means heat energy gets released, and from which we are going to extract power. So yes, the government's plan of extracting methane is a very good thing, and because we will run out of electricity one day, because we cannot even protest, because if we are protesting today that hydrocarbon is very important, yes it is, hydrocarbon is not very important, but one day there will be no electricity and we cannot be contacting each other for protesting even. So we need electricity when, and it is going to we are going to run out of electricity very soon. So we have to extract hydrocarbon, but is this the right way to extract hydrocarbon? The answer goes wrong at this point. So what is the central government doing? They are asking, means they are trying to take the farmers land and they are going to extract hydrocarbon from the rocks inside the ground. So is this the right way? No, it's not the right way. So what should we do? See, in India, the solid waste which is getting generated is immense. There is no limit for solid waste, and there are many cities in India, and so a lot of solid waste is getting generated every day. So what the government does is they give the solid waste to contractors and they ask them to separate it into composable waste and decomposable waste, and then they have to process it. But what are the contractors actually doing? They do not do all these. They simply dump all this solid waste in the dump yard. So that's the problem. So when this there is lot of methane in the solid waste. So when this and every year um, a lot of methane um, releases from the atmosphere, causing global warming. So if we are going to extract this methane from the solid waste, then it will be more beneficial, right? That is what we are trying to tell. Instead of taking hydrocarbon from the ground resources and then and which will ultimately lead to you know bad things for farming, it will affect farming anyways after a long time. So instead of doing all that, we can simply extract power from, we can extract hydrocarbon from the solid waste, because um, in 1 ton of solid waste we can extract 40 kg of methane. In 1 kg of solid waste we can extract 40 kg of methane, which will approximately fill 2 cylinders maybe. And so, and there are more than 4,500 tons of solid waste getting generated. So we can approximately extract 40 lakhs kilogram of methane from that solid waste. So if we are doing this, the methane which is like trapping more heat energy inside it, causing global warming when it reaches the atmosphere, we are going to avoid this, which means the methane is not going to escape into the atmosphere. We are reducing the global warming thereby. So what we actually should do, we should start, means the government should extract the hydrocarbon from the waste, solid waste, instead of extracting from underground resources. So the countries like Sweden and US, they have already started this thing. They are in fact importing solid waste from the neighboring countries and then they are processing it. So it's high time that we start. We should be more conscious, and it's right that people are protesting. But even if we are protesting, the government is not. If you are protesting, the government will not obviously do the project, but they'll go to other states. They are going to affect the lives of farmers in the other state. So in the name of Swachh Bharat, um, collecting waste and dumping it somewhere is not going to lead India anywhere near purity. We should we should regenerate all these waste, right? That only will lead to pure India. The government plan should be beneficial to all the level of people, not like taking from one level of people and giving to another level of people. That is what I wanted to tell today. Thank you. So we need hydrocarbon, but not in the form of extraction from ground resources, and which is ultimately going to affect farmers. Thank you.